This video will demonstrate how to install and connect to the Silux Control IntelliHub. Firstly, complete the installation before using the IntelliHub on the Silux Control app. The IntelliHub is the link between your app and your Silux Control devices. All messages sent between your Silux Control devices and your app are handled and verified by your IntelliHub. All devices require secure codes, and all messages are encrypted to ensure your security and privacy. The IntelliHub also stores and handles all your schedules and monitors your Silux Control network, ensuring that everything runs smoothly and everybody who is connected is in sync. Your IntelliHub has been designed for use not only at home, but at the office, apartment complex, factory, hotel, or any other space you would like under your control. Your Silux Control devices integrate seamlessly with any electrical infrastructure, and connecting them to the IntelliHub is as simple as plugging it in. Step 1. Turn the power socket off and plug the power supply into the power socket. Step 2. Connect the IntelliHub and power supply using the micro USB cable. Step 3. Turn the power socket on. Step 4. The power light will turn on and the status light will turn red whilst switching on. Once the IntelliHub is ready for use, the status light will turn green and flash off and on every 2 seconds. Before continuing with pairing the IntelliHub, please ensure that your Silux Control app is installed and registered. Step 1. The Silux Control app can be downloaded from the Play Store or from the iStore. Simply search for Silux Control and install it. Step 2. Once you open the installed app, you will be directed to the Silux Control login page. Tap Register Now. Step 3. You will be asked to register with an email address and password. You will then receive an email with a verification code. Enter this code into the verification code field on your Silux Control app and tap Verify. Step 4. On the home page, tap the IntelliHub's icon. Step 5. Tap the plus at the bottom of the page and create a name for your IntelliHub, and scan the QR code located on the back of your IntelliHub. Step 1. On your smart device, scan your available Wi-Fi networks. Step 2. Connect to the IntelliHub's Wi-Fi. If you are unsure which name refers to your Silux Control IntelliHub, it can be located on the bottom of your IntelliHub as SSID along with the default password. When prompted for a password, use the password provided. Step 3. Once you have successfully connected to the IntelliHub's Wi-Fi, open your Silux Control app. Step 4. On the home page, tap the IntelliHub's icon. Step 5. Tap on the IntelliHub in the list. Step 6. Tap Network Configuration. Step 7. Under the heading Connect your IntelliHub to your Wi-Fi, enter your local Wi-Fi name or select it from the drop-down list. Enter your password and tap Connect to Wi-Fi. Your IntelliHub will restart and attempt to connect to your local network. Step 8. On your smart device, scan your available Wi-Fi networks and connect to your local Wi-Fi. Step 9. Go back to the drop-down menu on your Silux Control app and tap Discover Hub. This will direct you back to the home page. In the status bar, a message will be displayed stating the discovery was successful. Please note, your network name and password are case sensitive. Please ensure you type it exactly as it is displayed if not selecting from the list.